Warehousing growth in India. Now, there is a lot of demand for warehousing facilities because of increased manufacturing activity and trading activities with the help of e-commerce companies. Now, the warehousing facilities required for raw material storage, processing, finished products, manufacturing units, trading units. Everyone needs warehousing facility to store and to sell and deliver to the consumers. Because of Make in India push and PLI, production linked incentive scheme introduced by the central government, many industrial units, many industrial units are trying to extended to extend their various capacities. The infrastructure sector, maybe that is roads, railways, ports, airports, every infrastructure facility needs construction activity. Even this infrastructure facilities construction also requiring the warehousing facilities to place the raw materials before use in construction activities. Housing sector is also construction sector. Housing sector is also uh, expecting the enhanced warehousing capacity because of increased increased construction activity, maybe in the housing sector as well as commercial sector. So now the global chain is shifting and realigning with government's manufacturing push, that is Make in India and production linked incentive schemes. There is an urgent need of logistic arrangement with storage facilities to deliver the goods early to the consumers from the producers. Means they have to mobilize from the producers and deliver to the consumers during the shortest period. So that is the need of the hour. Every consumer expects the delivery to him as early as possible. The same way, producer also expects the goods will be sold and delivered to the consumer, and he receives the payment. For this, we require storage facilities to mobilize the goods and deliver to the consumers. All these sectors, manufacturing sector, infrastructure sector, housing sector, all are creating a lot of demand for warehousing sector, which is a main supporting sector for construction activity, storage, manufacturing and delivery to the consumers. Now, India is having around 72.5 million square feet storage facility. This needs to be added every year. In the last year itself, there was an increase of nearly 30% increase in the storage capacity, the warehousing storage capacity. Means now India is having 72.5 million square feet storage capacity, warehousing capacity. So that is needs to be enhanced every year by year. Fast moving goods, fast moving consumer goods as well as fast moving consumer durables also needs the storage, better storage share, better warehousing share for its manufacturing, trading and delivery to the consumers. Out of 72.5 million square feet warehousing capacity, 47% of the total transaction has entered into the current year itself, in the last year itself. Means there is a lot of scope for improvement in warehousing sector. What is driving for increasing demand for warehousing sector? That is manufacturing sector, recovering commerce segment, and diversified usage of goods by consumers, produced by producers and consumed by consumers. Also, as stated earlier, infrastructure momentum is also increasing year by year. Also, the India is going to be poised as India is going to be treated as an investment hub as well as manufacturing hub for global producers as well as consumers. Now, India needs long-term demand for high-quality institutional warehousing capacity. That is most important now because because the best qualified warehousing facility will give will give comfortness to the producer as well as to the transporter and to consumer. And the warehousing should not lead to damage, uh, defect, or quality loss, or any. It should be protected from evaporation, theft, like that. So it is the demand for warehousing sector is not a temporary spike, but a fundamental shift in the way of supply chains and being designed and executed by the manufacturing sector and delivery companies. Recovering e-commerce sector is one of the reasons for increased demand for warehousing sector. What is expected from the from the warehousing sector? That is speed, resilience, and sustainability are now baseline expectations without differentiations. The every manufacturing, trading activity, transportation activity will be with the help of futurists by automation, and e-commerce are playing important role in the delivery of goods procured from the producers, delivery of goods to consumers procured from producers. What is expected is grade A facilities remain the preferred choice for all the e-commerce companies as well as storage manufacturers. So this is one of the uh, lot of futuristic scope area, that is warehousing capacity building. We have seen until now the demand for housing sector, commercial space sector, office space sector, infrastructure sector. Also, there is a great demand for warehousing sector, which provides which provides A-grade facilities to the producers, transporters, and to reach the consumers as early as possible. So these are the scope for warehousing sector. These are some of the aspects of warehousing sector growth in India, and also future prospects of warehousing growth in India. Everything expects warehousing sector is the grade A facility, and grade A facility which protects the quality, uh, which quality and feel comfortable to deliver fast to the consumers.